how to leave a review on Depop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually leave a review on Depop. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to leave a review for a product that you've purchased on Depop, all you have to do is just go ahead and then actually open up your browser. Then once you open up your browser, you just need to go to Depop.com website. Now in order to be able to leave a review, you must have already purchased the product before, which means that if you're not the buyer of the product and the Depop website has not verified your purchase, you will not be able to leave a review. So all you have to do is, assuming you've already purchased some of the products, log into your account, then click on the icon on the top right hand side, which is a drop down menu of your profile icon, and then here you'll find the second option that says purchases. Now depending upon when you're watching this video, because of the update, the things could be changing, so you just want to look for purchases section. Once you go to purchases, basically you'll find all of the items that you've purchased previously, and then you'll be able to find the review button right next to it. So basically for this, you must have already purchased the product before. And that is it on how you can actually leave a review on Depop. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.